Feeling unproductive? 10 hacks to achieve more? Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly chasing deadlines yet never quite catching up? We've all been there. In this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful productivity hacks that have helped me, and millions of others, regain control of their time and achieve more in less time. If you're ready to unlock your productivity potential, stick around. Right, let's kick things off with a classic. Starting your day with a clear to-do list might seem simple, but trust me, it's a game changer. It's like having a roadmap for your day, guiding your focus and ensuring you don't get lost in the whirlwind of tasks. But here's the key: not all to-do lists are created equal. Avoid the trap of simply jotting down everything that pops into your head. Instead, prioritize your tasks strategically. One method I love is the Eisenhower matrix. It helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Another great approach is the top 3 tasks method, where you identify the 3 most crucial tasks for the day and tackle those first. Remember, a well-structured to-do list isn't about adding more to your plate, but about providing clarity and direction. It's about making intentional choices about how you spend your precious time. Now let's talk about maintaining focus throughout the day. We all know how easy it is to get sidetracked by notifications, emails, or that sudden urge to scroll through social media. That's where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. This technique is all about working in focused bursts. Set a timer for 25 minutes and dedicate yourself completely to the task at hand. No distractions, no multitasking, just pure undiluted focus. Once the timer goes off, reward yourself with a 5-minute break. Get up, stretch, grab a drink, or simply let your mind wander. These short breaks might seem counterintuitive, but they're crucial for preventing burnout and maintaining focus over longer periods. The beauty of the Pomodoro Technique is its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a powerful tool to enhance your concentration, boost your productivity, and make those daunting tasks feel much more manageable. Distractions are productivity's worst enemy. They're sneaky little things that creep into our day and steal our focus, leaving us feeling scattered and overwhelmed. But here's the good news: you have the power to control your environment and minimize distractions. Start by silencing those pesky notifications. Turn off those email pop-ups, silence your phone, and close any unnecessary tabs on your browser. Remember, multitasking is a myth. Our brains simply aren't wired to effectively juggle multiple tasks simultaneously. Instead, create a distraction-free zone where you can fully immerse yourself in the task at hand. This might mean finding a quiet corner in your home, using noise-canceling headphones, or letting your family or housemates know that you need some uninterrupted work time. Chapter 4: The Power of Batching Similar Tasks. Have you ever noticed how much time and mental energy is wasted switching between different types of tasks throughout the day? It's like our brains need time to shift gears every time we move from writing an email to making a phone call to editing a document. This constant task switching can be incredibly draining and unproductive. That's where the concept of task batching comes in. Instead of scattering similar tasks throughout your day, group them together and tackle them in one go. For example, dedicate a specific time slot for answering emails, another for making phone calls, and another for writing or creative tasks. By batching similar tasks, you minimize the mental friction of switching gears and allow your brain to enter a flow state, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Chapter 5: Plan tonight for a productive tomorrow. Imagine waking up each morning already knowing what your day holds, and feeling prepared to tackle your tasks. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, that's the power of planning your day the night before. Taking just 10 minutes each evening to plan your next day can make a world of difference. Review your to-do list, prioritize your tasks, and schedule time blocks for specific activities. This simple habit eliminates decision fatigue, reduces stress, and helps you start your day with purpose and direction. You'll be amazed at how much more productive you become when you have a clear plan of action. Chapter 6: Delegate and outsource. You don't have to do it all. Let's be honest, we all have limitations. Trying to do everything ourselves is a recipe for burnout and overwhelm. That's why learning to delegate and outsource is crucial for boosting productivity and freeing up your time for what truly matters. Start by identifying tasks that can be delegated to others. This could be anything from administrative tasks to research to even parts of larger projects. If you're working on a team, delegate tasks to those with the skills and bandwidth to handle them effectively. If you're a solopreneur or freelancer, consider outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants or freelancers. There are countless talented individuals out there who can help you with everything from social media management to bookkeeping to customer support. Chapter 7. Tech to the rescue productivity tools you need. In this digital age, we're lucky to have access to a plethora of incredible productivity tools that can streamline our workflows and make our lives easier. Project management tools like Trello and Notion are fantastic for organizing tasks, collaborating with others, and keeping track of your progress. They provide a visual overview of your projects, allowing you to easily manage deadlines, assign tasks, and track your progress. Calendar apps like Google Calendar are essential for scheduling meetings, appointments, and even blocking out time for focused work. Set reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline and use the Find a Time feature to effortlessly schedule meetings with colleagues or clients. Chapter 8. The 2-minute rule. Conquer those tiny tasks. We all have those small, seemingly insignificant tasks that pop up throughout the day, responding to a quick email, filing a document, or making a quick phone call. These tasks might seem trivial, but they can quickly pile up and create a sense of overwhelm. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Don't add it to your to-do list. Don't tell yourself you'll do it later. Just get it done and out of the way. This simple rule helps you prevent small tasks from cluttering your mind and your schedule, freeing up mental space and time for more important tasks. Chapter 9. The secret weapon. Prioritizing your health. When we think about productivity, we often focus on external factors, tools, techniques, and strategies. But here's a secret weapon that's often overlooked: prioritizing your health. You see, productivity isn't just about how much you get done, it's about how well you're able to do it, and that requires a healthy body and mind. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, and incorporating regular exercise into your routine. These might seem like basic things, but they have a profound impact on your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Chapter 10. Reflect and improve. The key to sustainable productivity. Productivity isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about constantly seeking ways to improve your systems, refine your habits, and optimize your workflow. One of the most effective ways to do this is through regular reflection. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review your accomplishments, identify areas where you excelled, and pinpoint any roadblocks or challenges you encountered. Ask yourself, what went well today? What could have gone better? Are there any tasks or activities that consistently drain my energy or distract me from my goals? This simple practice of self-reflection allows you to learn from your experiences, identify patterns in your behavior, and make adjustments to your strategies over time. Unlock your productivity potential. So, there you have it, 10 powerful productivity hacks to help you regain control of your time and achieve more in less time. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once, it's about finding what works best for you and integrating these strategies into your daily routine. With these hacks in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to conquering your to-do list, achieving your goals, and living a more fulfilling and productive life. Which hack are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.